For this example, we'll go under the shape panel and we'll change over to circle where we're already set to polygon and we have 32 segments. We'll also click on grid, which will activate both snapping and grid, meaning that whenever we hold control and we roll over the mesh, we now have a grid displayed. I'm just going to click and drag on this first point to create a circle, and we can press B to bevel, tab to pause, and then D to bring up our helper. From here, I'm just going to click on flipping shape, and we can just click to apply the shape, and we're now done with the operation. So with our grid active, we could just Ctrl Double click and just continue repeating the shape along in the formation of our grid as many times as we'd like. I just want to show that reverse bevel is also capable of being repeated. In addition to repeating on double click, there's also an option under the behavior sprocket under input for repeat click, which will basically delegate repeat to be a single click operation. So sometimes you want to perform a repeat even faster. This is how you can do it, just by going in and toggling repeat click to be a single click operation. However, for the purposes of workflow continuity, I definitely recommend keeping it off because repeat can get in the way of certain operations if you're unaware of its presence.